Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I will teach you how to make a Linux-based instance on your free-tier Amazon AWS account. So go to your dashboard and EC2 service, and then go on instances now. So click on launch instance. This will take you to a new page. So choose your instance name. You can keep any. For example, I am keeping Node Linux. After choosing your name, you have to choose your operating system. I have to choose Linux, so I will leave as it is on Amazon Linux. You have to make sure whatever operating system you choose, it's in the free tier so that you can avail the free tier service. Now, moving on next, you have to go to the key pair. Basically, I do not have any key pair created right now, so I have to create a new key pair. Basically, this will be used to authenticate when connecting to our Linux-based machine over the cloud. So I will click on create a new key pair. I will give the key pair a name, and then you have to select the key pair type, which should be RSA, and then you have to select the key pair file. Basically, it should be PPK because we have to connect to the our Linux. We have to connect to our Linux machine through PuTTY. So we have to use the PPK file because this is compatible with PuTTY. Now leave the other thing as it is, except that you should allow SSH traffic. So now our configuration is complete and you can launch the instance now. You can see our instance is launched successfully. Now go to the dashboard. We can see our instance is running now. So select the instance and check its public IP. Copy its public IP and then open PuTTY. In PuTTY, put the public IP and then go to SSH and then go to auth and then the first option in auth, and then browse the file you have downloaded from the AWS website. When both the files are chosen, then go to go for the connection. You can see our Linux based machine is connected. Give the default username as it is always EC2 user. You can see the authentication is complete and we have connected to our Linux based machine. That's all from the video. Thank you.